Hi students, today we'll start with the chapter Algebraic Expressions and Identities, and we will start this chapter, or say rather than this topic, by helping you understand what terms are. So the most important part in this particular chapter is first understanding what terms are and how these terms are made. So let's start with this. As you can see, we have constants on one side and variables on the other side, right? So what we are going to do is first understand what constants are and what variables are. So in constants we have all the numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. On the other hand, we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. I mean to say we have integers as constants, मतलब प्लस में भी हो सकते हैं, माइनस में भी हो सकते हैं. Then we go to variables. Under variables we have alphabets, that too in small letters. So we can have A, B, C, D, etc., 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 X, Y, Z, any one of them, right? So then we come to how are terms formed. So let us first write down how are terms formed. So terms are formed by the product of variables and constant. Okay, so a term is formed by the product, मतलब मल्टीप्लाई करने से. किसको किसको मल्टीप्लाई करने से? By multiplying variables and constants. For our example, let us take one example. We will take 2 as the constant, multiply it with, and we will select one variable over here, that is say x will select. So 2 into x is nothing but 2x. So 2x is a term. Okay, next we will select say something else. Say this time we'll select -3 as the constant, multiply it with say b as one of the variables and c as one more variable. So the answer will be -3bc. So it is also a term, right? So how do we obtain a term? We obtain a term by multiplying a constant with a variable. Now, few questions which students have often asked. The first one of them, as you can see over here, can we take one variable 2 times or more? They mean to say, जैसे ऊपर वाले एग्जाम्पल में हमने x सिर्फ एक ही बार लिया है, right? क्या मैं एक से ज्यादा बार ले सकता हूं? Answer is yes. Yes, I can take it more than once. For example, I'll take 3 multiplied by x multiplied by x. So it will be 3x square, right? X multiplying 2 times, x into x is x square. So this is a term, right? I'll give you one more example. I'll take I'll take x this time 2 times, x into x, and I will take say one more variable, say y. So the answer will be 3x square y. Okay, 3x square y. This is a term. This is a term. Now let us come to the next question what often students ask, and the question is, can we take only variable to make a term? सिर्फ वेरिएबल से टर्म बनाया जा सकता है क्या? So let us see. The answer is again yes, And for example, I'll take one example as x multiplied by y. This time I am taking only variables x and y. When you multiply x and y, the answer is xy. And we all know if nothing is there in front of x and y, there is 1 always multiplies with x and y. So if it is x and y, it is nothing but 1xy. तो अगर आप कोई constant ले भी नहीं रहे हैं तो भी 1 automatically आ जा रहा है, right? We come to the third question. The third question which often students ask is, can we make a term using only constant? And the answer is yes. Very strange, but yes, we can have. For example, 100. This is a term in itself. We are using only constant, but this again can be taken as a term. So let me just sum up all that. Okay, so the most important thing in algebraic expression is understanding a term. How is a term formed? A term is formed by multiplying a constant with a variable, right? Then the question was asked, can we have more than can we have one variable more than one time? Definitely, you can have it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, right? And you can have more number of variables also, right? The second question was, can we take only variables to make a term? Yes, you can have only variable. Then what will be the constant in that case? It will be 1, right? And the third question was, can we make a term using only constant? Then the answer was yes, we can have a term by using only a constant.